Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. We're located in the Boston area. I want to talk to you today about this wool wall hanging that came into our shop in Woburn, Massachusetts a few weeks ago. What this came in for, specifically because the house it was in had a moth infestation. A moth infestation that a clothing moth will attack not only wool and silk clothing, but area rugs and wall hangings. The customer decided to bring this wall hanging to us, and we treated it to eradicate the moths and then gave it a complete washing, very similar to how you would wash a woven rug. So what we're going to take a look at now, what we're looking at here is the back of this wall hanging, which means this is the side when it's hanging up would be facing the wall. And that's where we're seeing the moth damage. The moth damage is this right here. Now it's already been cleaned, so you're not going to see any casings, but right here is where the moths have eaten the wool. Notice the white cotton cording here is intact. It's this purple and blue that's gone. That's what the larvae of the moth eat. As we come on down here a little bit, you can see more of it here. And then there's a big piece of this weft yarn exposed. And there's a lot of that throughout the piece. Now, what you can tell whether it's the front or the back because this double cord on the side is nice and flat on this side, flat with the face of this rug or this wall hanging, but it's raised up over here. So this is the back. One of the things you can do to prevent this from happening in your home is to switch this, rotate this 180 degrees once or twice a year. What moths like is warm, moist, stagnant air to breathe in. That's a good living environment for them. When you rotate this wall hanging completely and put it backwards, you'll probably be the only one to know that it's not hanging proper. But it exposes the back to light and drier air, which is good for keeping and disrupting the environment where the moth and the moth larvae like to live. Getting your textiles cleaned on a regular basis is also important. And if you do nothing else, a gentle vacuum on both sides of this at least once a year would be extremely helpful to prevent this type of damage from happening. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section below. We appreciate you watching. And if you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and maybe the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified when new videos come up. Thanks for watching.